Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a gallery in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on login. Now click on this website button below the website you want to add a gallery on. Go to pages. Select the page you want to add your gallery on. Let's add it on this privacy policy page. Click on add. Click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. As you see, now I can grab elements or block on my page. Click on this add section blue button. From this left side menu, click on images. Select your gallery type from these templates. I will go with this template. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that my gallery is added to my page, click on Edit Gallery to remove the old photos and add yours. You can upload them from your computer. You can select multiple photos on your computer, then click on Open. The upload is started. And now that my photos are completely uploaded to Squarespace, I can close this window. Click on Save from this corner. Click on this exit button to preview my gallery live. And this is how to add a gallery in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.